Peace. This is PonderQwan, the Thewriterqwannubian, always wishing you peace and tranquility over you and all of your houses. This rise, I had posted a first thought of this new day, and I said I need to follow up with a video regarding it. Not going to be long-winded. So, for some reason I started thinking about women or men who come forward after decades go by with accusations of this, that, and the other. And one of the first questions that often comes to mind is, why do these people wait so long to come forward? That doesn't make sense. Are they to be believed? And the narrative usually goes that accusations of whether it's sexual harassment, any type of abuse should be believed immediately. At the same time, there's that innocent until proven guilty thing, because you have false claims out there. So, the human mind, the spirit, is a very interesting thing, to say the least. How the mind protects you. It protects you from so many things. But anyway, so I woke up thinking about a situation I was in over a couple of decades ago. But it was a 10-year relationship. And the type of abuse or mismanagement, terrorizing that was done, it wasn't physical abuse. Not like that. But it was a more narcissistic, misogynistic, wicked, not going to get into details on that. But when you're dealing with someone, especially who has high influence and money's involved, okay, their power is yielded by their money. This particular situation had to do with the institution of the church. And you go to what should have been a safe haven, and instead of helping, since they're getting their financing from the person being accused, they try to stuff you under the rug and tip off that person. And for all they knew, or all they cared, I could have been getting my butt whooped, but it didn't matter. All that mattered was the money and the optics of everything, So yeah, this morning, and I'll say morning because that's how I was feeling when that time period came upon me. I started thinking about thinking more about women, men that come out decades later saying, this happened to me. I get it now. I get it. And we truly need to be more sensitive, sympathetic, empathetic, understanding to the various situations and scenarios people go through. Why did you say? Why did you stay? Why didn't you leave? This, that, the other. So many variables. Brainwashing, mind hacking, however you want to coin the phrase. The mind is an interesting, powerful, beautifully dangerous thing. So I say that to say, listen. Listen when people talk. Ask questions if you care. People might need help and they're unable to speak it. Yeah, not saying for you to be judge and jury, but don't always be so quick to go to the negative or think that something is a scam or a scheme. And I know that's hard in this day and time we're in. People are very cunning. Very, very cunning. But yeah. Yeah. Remember who you are. Remember who you are. Remember who you are. And no matter what you've been through and have overcome and survived. And you survived if you're watching this right now. If you have the time to watch this right now, you're a survivor, a conqueror, an overcomer. And you're not going to stay in that mindset from way back when. Because it's easy to throw that pity party. Oh, this happened to me. This was done to me. And da-da-da-da. No. Because you will flourish. You're flourishing now, baby. You don't let anything that oppressed you or that you allowed to oppress you win. So with that, I love you. Be peace. It's PonderQwan, Thewriterqwannubian. Let's keep it together. Peace.